Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these beautiful crochet button flowers. They are really beautiful and also the pattern is very easy. You can use these ornamenting your clothes, ornamenting your hats, bags, anything you can imagine. You can make keychains by using these. You can also put them up and you can connect them with a rope. You can use these ornamenting your house. It is really beautiful, dear friends. Let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and if you like this video, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. Let's go on how to make this. For these flowers, we need two different size hook. One 4 and 5 millimeters, the other 5 and 5 millimeters. Because the pattern for two layers of flowers are nearly same, not the same, nearly same, but we need two different size of hook in order to make the base flower, bottom flower bigger than the inside flower. We also need a darning needle. We are using it in order to sew up the buttons in the middle of the flower, and we need a scissors to cut the yarn. We need two different colors of button for this project. The buttons are like these, dear friends. The both buttons are with 4 spaces, 4 holes in the middle. When you buy the buttons, you should be careful that the darning needle easily go through the button spaces. I mean, like this. You should try this. After that, you should buy the buttons, for example. Let me show you. Yes, you see. And we need 3 different colors of yarn. One yarn is for bottom layer, the other is the inside layer, and we also need a small yarn for the middle of the buttons. My yarns are acrylic yarn, dear friends. It's like this, not so thin, not so thick, standard acrylic yarn. You can also use cotton, no matter, but I have this yarn in my house. For this reason, I am using these yarns. We are starting from the bottom layer flower, dear friends. I'm taking my orange color in my hand. Of course, you can choose different color, no matter. I am also taking my bigger size hook, 5 and 5 millimeters. First of all, we are starting by making slip knot. Upon this slip knot, we are making 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Inserting our hook in the first chain, here. Yarn over, pull through, slip stitch. We have a small ring now. We are making 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook in the same ring, and when inserting, this yarn end will be over the chain. Like this, we are hiding this. Making a triple crochet. Two times yarn over, inserting our hook in the same ring, making another triple crochet. Two times yarn over, inserting our hook in the same ring, making another triple crochet. 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook again in the same ring, making another triple crochet. Like this, we are going to make totally 11 triple crochets in this first row. We are considering this 3 chains as the first triple crochet. With this 3 chains, there will be totally 12 triple crochet. But if we don't count this, we have now 1, 2, 3, 4 triple crochet. It will be totally 11, dear friends. Yes, I made 11 triple crochets. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. With these 3 chains, it is 12 totally. At top of these 3 chains, I am inserting my hook and making a slip stitch. Like this, I am closing this ring. We are making 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. 2 times yarn over. Inserting our hook in the following space, making a triple crochet, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook again in the same space, making another triple crochet, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook again in the same space, making another triple crochet. Considering the first 3 chains, there are now 4 triple crochet in the first space. Yarn over, again inserting our hook in the same space, making a half double crochet. The first petal is finished. 2 times yarn over. We are skipping the following space, going to the other and making 4 triple crochet. This is triple crochet. 1, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook again in the same space. This is triple crochet. 2, 2 times yarn over, again in the same space we are inserting our hook and making the third triple crochet, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook again in the same space, making the fourth triple crochet, yarn over, inserting our hook again in the same space, making a half double crochet. The second layer is finished as well. 2 times yarn over, skipping the following space, going to the other, inserting our hook in the same space, making 4 triple crochet in this space. This is triple crochet. 1, this is triple crochet. 2, this is triple crochet. 3, and this is triple crochet. 4. Yarn over, inserting our hook in the same space, making a half double crochet like this. We made 3 petals, dear friends. We are going to complete this row in the same way I showed you. We are taking our hook, making 2 times yarn over, skipping the following space, going to the other, making 4 triple crochet in this space and then making 1 half double crochet, then skipping this one, going to the other. Like this, there will be totally 6 petals. Let's complete this second round in the same way I explained to you. I came to the end of the second row. I made totally 6 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I will finish the flower, inserting my hook in this stitch, in the following stitch, making a slip stitch in there. One moment. And making 1 chain, 1 more chain to fix well, and we can cut the yarn. Now I am going to hide this yarn end with the help of the darning needle. We are inserting the needle through the stitches of the back side. This is the back side of the flower. Now I will fix the yarn. Okay, we can cut the rest. finished. This is the front side. Now we are going to inside layer flower, I mean this flower. For this reason, I'm taking another color in my hand. First of all, I am making a slip knot. Upon this slip knot, we are making 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inserting our hook in the first chain, yarn over, pull through, making 3 chains. 2, 3. Yarn over, inserting our hook in the small ring, like this, making a double crochet. When making double crochets around the ring, we are keeping this yarn end on the chain, and like this, we are hiding this through the stitches. We made 1 double crochet, yarn over, inserting our hook again and in the same ring, making the second double crochet, making the third double crochet, making the fourth double crochet. Like this, there will be totally 11 double crochet. When we consider these 3 chains as the first double crochet, in that time there will be totally 12, dear friends. I am not counting the 3 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet I made. Let's complete this 4 double crochet till 11 double crochet. Yes, I made totally 11 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If we count the 3 chains, it is totally 12. Now, I am inserting my hook at top of this 3 chains, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. This round is finished. Now, I am making 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over, inserting my hook in the following space here, making 2 double crochet in there. This is 1 and this is 2. If we consider the 3 chains as the first double crochet, there are now 3 double crochet in this space. Now, inserting our hook in the same space, making a single stitch. Now, we are skipping the following space, going to the other, and making 3 double crochet in here. Yarn over, I am skipping this space, going to the other, making 3 double crochet in here. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Inserting our hook in the same space, making a slip stitch, yarn over, skipping the following space, going to the other here, making 3 more double crochet. This is double crochet 1, this is double crochet 2, and this is double crochet 3. Inserting our hook in the same space like this, making a slip stitch like this. We made now 1, 2, 3 petals. In the same way, we are going to go until the end of the row. There will be totally 6 petals, dear friends. Let's close, let's finish this second round in the same way I showed you. I came to the end of the second row as well. I am inserting my hook in the following space and making a slip stitch in there in order to fix the second round, making 1 chain. Let's make 1 more chain to fix well, cutting the yarn. I will hide this yarn end in the back side with the help of the darning needle in the same way how I hide the yarn end of the orange color. Yes, I hidden the yarn end in the back side. It is now cleaned. One moment. We can also cut the rest of the yarn for the ring. Okay. Now it is completely finished. we are putting them on top of another like this. I am going to sew up. I will use orange color thread when sewing up because I don't want the stitches to be seen in the back side. For this reason I am using orange color. Okay, I have the orange color thread in my needle, starting sewing up from the back side like this. I am sewing this. Okay, all around I will sew up. Don't worry about the stitches here because we will sew up buttons and then it will not be looked. Okay, I came to the end. One row I sew up. It is okay. I am turning to the back side, fixing the yarn. Once again I am doing. Okay, it is completely finished. Okay, I am cutting the yarn. We fixed 2 flowers on top of another. Now the only thing is just to sew up the buttons like this. This time I am taking another color because I want the stitches in the middles to be seen outside. For this reason I'm taking another color yarn thread. I'm not making any knot. I am just inserting my hook from the back side to the front. First of all, taking the bigger button, inserting my hook, and then taking the smaller button, inserting my needle through one space, and like this. I am leaving some rope in the back side, and to the opposite side I am doing the same thing like this. And now I will sew up through the opposite holes like this. It's enough, dear friends. I am turning to the back side. I'm just tying the rope like this. 2 times I am tying it. It's okay. Now I can cut the yarn. I'm shaping it with my hand, paddles I mean. Yes, it's been beautiful. It is finished, dear friends. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project with you. Hope you like this project. Hope you like these beautiful crochet button flowers. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials in the coming days. If you like my videos and if you want to see my further videos, I kindly invite you to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos in order to support me for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. See you in the coming videos.